The iPhone 16 lineup, including the 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max, is beginning to take shape thanks to non-functional units from a case manufacturer, allowing us to preview the new features and design changes. These mock-ups, likely dimensionally accurate, give us a solid idea of what's new with the iPhone 16 series. The standard iPhone 16 sees the return of the vertical camera module, reminiscent of the iPhone 12, but with a smaller camera island and the flash positioned on the outside. The camera modules are slightly larger, with diameters increasing from 15mm on the iPhone 15 to nearly 16mm on the iPhone 16. This suggests that Apple might be reusing the larger camera sensors from the iPhone 15 Pro and 14 Pro models. A significant change is the new action button replacing the mute switch, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro. However, the action button on the iPhone 16 appears to be smaller than expected. There's also a new capacitive capture button for taking photos and videos, located on the opposite side. This button is intended to provide haptic feedback and enable finger sliding to zoom in and out, along with recognizing half and full presses for focusing and taking shots. However, its placement makes it a bit challenging to reach with one hand. Dimensionally, the iPhone 16 remains similar to its predecessor, maintaining a width of 71.6mm and a height of 147.7mm, but it's slightly thicker at 8mm, likely due to a larger battery of 3,561 mAh, compared to the previous 3,349 mAh. The iPhone 16 Plus also adopts the new camera design and buttons, but shares the same difficulty in reaching the capture button, one-handed, despite its larger size. The dimensions are unchanged from the iPhone 15 Plus, with the same thickness increase to 8mm. Interestingly, the 16 Plus is expected to have a slightly smaller battery at 4,066 mAh, down from 4,383 mAh, possibly to promote the Pro Max model. The iPhone 16 Pro features a larger 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches on the iPhone 15 Pro, with dimensions measuring 149.6mm tall and 71.4mm wide. This larger size does not significantly impact its feel in the hand, maintaining ease of use. The thickness remains 8.3mm, despite a slight increase in battery capacity to 3,355 mAh. The 16 Pro also includes the action button and the new capacitive capture button. The camera module retains the same diameter as the 15 Pro at 16.1mm. Expected camera upgrades include a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and the telephoto lens moving to a 5x zoom, matching the 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max sees a slight increase in size to 77.6mm wide and 163mm tall, resembling the dimensions of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Despite its larger size, it retains the 8.3mm thickness, with a significant battery increase to 4,646 mAh. This model is also expected to feature a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a main sensor close to 1 inch in size, although the module size doesn't indicate a change. The iPhone 16 series brings several notable updates, including the action button on all models, the new capacitive capture button, and redesigned camera modules for the standard models. The Pro models see larger displays and slight size increases, enhancing the overall user experience without significantly impacting comfort. These changes, particularly the new capture button, promise to enhance usability and convenience, making the iPhone 16 lineup an exciting update for users. Stay tuned for more updates and feature confirmations as the official release approaches.